Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm very special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So it's early morning over here. So actually I'm coming from my house. So this is why I'm calling my house, guys. So technically that's how everything is, and I'm so grateful what I have. So technically on today's videos, I'm heading to Border Town to buy some one big Coke for the Christmas celebration. And actually next week on Thursday, I think over there it's a Christmas day. At the same time it's my birthday. So over there we have my mom, so she wanna say hello to you guys, you know. So let's see guys. Yesterday I surprised my mom, so today I want to done for her some small shopping, maybe buying ingredients here and there. You will see on the video, guys. Mama say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. Mama say subscribe to Hello Baby.
Subscribe
To Hello Baby.
to Hello Baby.
Yes, that's my mom, guys. Oh, sometime I was maybe like I was vibing with my mom here and there, and actually my mom advised me a lot, man. I'm telling you. So I'm so grateful, and she tried to wash maybe some clothes here, and on that container that you see, imagine, guys. So at the same time I want to say thank you so much for one of our subscribers who made it possible my mom to have a tank. So right now she fetch water from the tap she using here, and that's my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
Look the camera. Why do you look
Wait,
down?
wait. I'm washing my hands. Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
How was everything?
It's
Guys,
good.
if you remember, when I went to Atenasto's place, I visited my brother, and
Yeah.
he was working so hard there. So I'm telling him right now you are at home. Maybe sometime if you had a job somewhere, go and work. At least you look for the money.
Yeah.
When you open the school, I supposed to add you maybe some little bit pocket money, and from now I will never tell you what is going on, but tomorrow you will see on the video.
All
you
right.
and my brother.
All right.
Yes. So hopefully that's our second brother. Actually, I'm the firstborn. He was secondborn, and the thirdborn, he was the one who saw me, guys, with maybe painting with him here and there like crazy. Oh man. So guys, maybe I think right now I supposed to have something to drink, and then I drive to Border Town. Wow. And over here Bruno. It's Bruno. Guys, you know the reason why I tied my dog here? It's simply because I don't want my dog to interact with so many people here and there, because the secret about my dog, it doesn't like anybody to go inside here where the cow sleep. Inside here, I'm telling you. You good? Bruno. Wow. At the same time, guys, let me wash my hand, and then I have something to drink, you know. Wow. I have something to drink right now, guys. Like Guys, let me ask my mom what she have prepared. Mom,
Yeah?
napika nini?
Chai.
What?
Iko hapo.
Okay, so I'm asking my mama, what did you prepare right now at this morning? Wow. Like I want to take rice. I'm looking for the spoon, man. Just a minute. That's how everything is here. Wow. So, like yesterday night, we eat rice. Mama, I'm telling you back. Rice. Sometime to rinse this stuff. Oh guys, yesterday night our food was rice and beans. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister. So right now, no business with my sister because I bought for her some clothes for the Christmas and shoes. Maybe I'll work on it for my brothers. For my brother, I think on Monday I'll work for my brother's clothes. He was helping me a lot here and there, painting, you know. Hey, okay, nishike mlango. Wow, guys. So that's my mom's house. That's how everything is. That's how everything is here. And I'm telling you guys, we eat rice. That's my mom's house, and I love the fact how my mom arranged the house. Look. That's the sitting place. Look, you have table. Look, fungua hapo. And I want to put beans inside here. No problem. Me, I'm telling you guys, as long as when I take enough strong breakfast, I'm ready to go. So for now, I don't take it home. So I'm sending my sister to bring my cup. Like for now, when I take strong breakfast, man, I'm ready to go. There's my table. Big 5 Walden Mall in Africa. I'm telling you, when you visit my village, one day I'll take you maybe to Masai Mara. You will see this Big 5 Walden Mall. Like these are giraffe. No, these are an elephant. Right. Thank you. Like Big 5 Walden Mall in Africa here, especially in my country where I'm coming from, we have elephants. We have lion, we have cheetah, we have tiger, and let me see, elephant, lion, cheetah, tiger, and leopard. I think those most 5 wild animals are very, very tough. And I think, guys, this is like this elephant, they're living in the how am I going to say, in the game park. You see the grass here, like you have some like color camouflage. Like for example, if a lion, they can go in the most places where grass look the same color to the lion, so we call maybe, I think, color camouflage, things like that. If I'm right, guys, comment. If I'm wrong, just advise me. Wow, so for now, that's my today's video. Wow, so that's my breakfast here today. It's a milk tea. What's a good day? Today it's a milk tea. Wow. Over here. So I supposed to pray for my food before I take. Thank you, Jesus. I pray for my food that in front of my table. When I take it, in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So guys, first thing we do is to pray your food that are on your table, guys. What? very delicious, guys. And I think this week I was taking the rice, which are um, which are plain, like I'm taking rice which are plain, no rice, no like no beans, no soybeans. So people comment, hello baby, why do you take plain rice? Why? So right now it's a mix of beans and rice. I know most of the people maybe you eat rice with hen, with meat, but for us, where I'm coming from, we use what we have. And guys, by supporting my channel, at least nowadays my family put something on table, you know. That being said, yesterday, back years, man, I'm telling you this story. Back years, just like I'm not blagging issues, like back years, my mom, she was struggling here and there. Sometimes we sleep no food, but we thank God. The following day we eat. Like when my mom got a job, she brought food, and I myself, I went to work for the handman at the construction site, and I get money. I buy food for my family, and that's how, like, I make practice back years. And nowadays, I said it's one way. When I get money, I buy food for my family. Like, I need maybe um I need maybe to pull my mom's maybe from hard working every time, you know. So like, mom, let's relax and let me work so hard. At least I know the pain for my mama. Since she get back to me, I came in this world. She's struggling with me here and there. Up to now, I'm grown up, so why not? I supposed to help my mama. So guys, anyway, let's take food, and then after that, I'll take you outside, man. Kama vitinzaro chimono.
Bono bwanga tora saa 11 chomba kachirana sera waruhi amba na tonto dia unitoida nirebo mata mzedistasi au tenta sana bani adi ananda dia mtatia motebi digacha kuimukio ngono na kore mamotomi kama ngapata la bekiri bana ibu nyakore na atomele tatiga mudio mtu akakamba homo.
So mama yangu video. Oh man. Guys, the good thing about me, just like I'm showing you how I'm moving on. Like it's my daily routine in Africa here, and probably when I wake up from my house over here, I'm starting my video here. But when I'm outside from my home, I shoot where I'm coming from, and I came back to my home. That's how I rotate here and there. So like for now, man, on today's videos, don't miss this. Today I'm going to do some small shopping from the we call it from the supermarket. You will see later, guys. Guys, let's enjoy the food. Wow. So we shall meet on the next video, while maybe I'm heading outside, and I wish you happy Sabbath, guys. If you are Sabbath, when you came from church, this is the word from Hello Baby Official. I wish you happy Sabbath. If you are Roman Catholic, tomorrow also, I wish you happy Sunday, guys. So you are my good friend of mine, and if you meet my video for the first time, don't skip ads, subscribe, like my videos, drop the sweet comment on the comment section below, and I would appreciate for the love and support, guys. Without you guys, I couldn't, maybe today you couldn't see the tank, ceiling board, chairs, tiles, glass table, and we have a lot of things that I do here and there. And guys, it's through your support here and there, and you hold me in one hand with two hands, and I'm just moving on, and sky's the limit. I'm trying to keep pushing I myself, and working so hard here and there, and God is good all the time. So guys, we shall meet on the next video, and I'll take you outside. From now, let me have like 15 minutes. I'll take you outside, guys. Stay blessed. Oh guys, I finished taking my breakfast, so technically, let me close my house. So it's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go, but I'm going to border town. Big up, guys. One love. Jamaica, the land that I love. Big up. Nipe to your plastic. Guys, I send my sister the tray for the eggs. Hey, to be a firstborn. Okay, that's how I have been blessed to be a firstborn. Bring here. So I'm going to carry, like, it's around, let me see. Let me count, guys. Confirm the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, guys, on this trays goes to 30 eggs. That is it. Because 11 times with it, it's 6 times 5. We get 30. Let's go. Oh guys, so I'm outside, and from now it's on a raining. Right now it's here. We have the beautiful calf here. What's up? You good, bro? Oh, hey. My sister loves to enjoy. Okay, take care. Who said you gonna catch up on? I'm telling my sister to take care, so they wanna maybe knock the head on that tree here. Enjoy. You enjoy. Hey, that's my sister, guys. So I want to tight them here. Don't shake them. Oh guys. Okay. Simama hapo. Rudi nyuma. Hapo. So guys, I wanna tight my bike. This stuff here. Hey! Ange yuni. Wow guys, so I tight them here. Rudi nyuma.
Apple.
I tight the tray here. Like crazy. Mami atano nchare guchage. Nguchare guchimuke. Oh guys, so I tied them to Chimbeker. So I'm heading to Bodatan. Bye. Yes, see you. See you later. Oh guys, sometimes this vlog starts from here, and I feel so grateful, so blessed When I wake up from my house, coming outside, I see the toilet. Oh man, right there, guys. You see the blue stuff? And it's not a distance, guys. But most of the people are being shocked that I built the toilet far away from my home. Imagine, this is the house here. That's the toilet. Just like my camera, it shows you like the angle of 360. So it's showing you maybe far away. But even like from here to there, like it's possible to be maybe 100 meters. It's close. Wow, guys. So it's time to go. And wow. Yeah. Ahora querer herir. Ahora querer herir. Bruer. It's time to go, guys. Time to go, time to go, time to go. Imagine, guys, at the same time, you see over there, I don't want to talk much every time, every single minute, oh this and this, but I'm pushing on this, buying materials, and guys, that is it, guys. I'm so grateful when I see my mama dream come to reality, and I think soon we boom, soon, guys. Soon we boom, guys. So guys, stay tuned. We'll meet on the way going this way. Oh guys, let me do it. Let's go, guys, let's go. Oh, that's my home there, and I left. That's my grandma home, that's my dad's home. Wow. So technically, guys, I left home, guys, in good way. We have our cows there. Now it's time to go border town, guys. It's time to go in border town. That's my neighbor's home. Wow. Let's do it, guys. For me, I'm so grateful to support my mom from nothing to something, guys. Let's go. That's my neighbor's home, who made for me some bricks. Wow. It's early morning over here, which God have granted us to see the beautiful day, amazing view, guys. But I'm heading this way, guys. I'm heading this way. Oh, let's go up to border town, guys. Today I'm on another jacket, but I was keeping this jacket long time in my house. So today I decide that's way. If you're watching my old video, you will find this jacket, guys. I'm telling you. Babu, let's do it in good way. And actually the weather of today, it's so bad. I'm telling you, it's so bad. We have the church service going on here, guys. Let's go. It's even the cars, guys, here. So we have the church service going on there. We have the local shop here. Wow. Oh, your brother, hello baby, is outside. Your son, hello baby, is outside, chasing the dream, right, left, center, to make sure that the family put something on the table. Wow. When you go this route, you are going to Claude Joseph's home. Wow. Guys, I'm showing you from my home up to border town. Wow. Woo. Let's enjoy my vlog on the road, guys. Let's go. And we have a new church here which is coming soon. I'm telling you, we have the church here, guys. You see that one there? There's a church. Let's go. When I can out, you know, like that. Guys, I wanna help one of my neighbor here. So she had a baby. Unaenda wapi? Kliniki. Taikara konoti. Wapi?
Town. Kwani ni mzito?
Guys, that's how I help people in my village here. Free of charge. Kutembea wapi? Guys, because my neighbor, she has maybe she had a kid there, so I don't want to vlog on my road because sometimes it's hectic. So let me pause my video here, guys. Greeting my people, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my neighbor, guys. So we shall meet in border town, guys. Guys, I'm heading to border town right now, and it's my pleasure to be here on beautiful morning like this. And technically, guys, let's do it. That is it, guys. You see the beautiful scenery? Everywhere it's green, and people are building everywhere, guys. You see? Wow. And a big tractor is coming, heading to Nairobi. You see that tractor? Oh. This is border town, guys. In case you're new here, this is the entrance of border. Nowadays, guys, bicycle exists, you know. Motorbike are very common here, guys. I'm telling you. New petrol station. Wow. They have the Pro Box over here. Hey, hurry, guys. Whoa. So in case you're new here, guys, this is how border town looks like. Morning vibe. And that being said, I'm going to make shopping for my mom. Wow, 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 wow. This is border town, guys. In a good way. See right there. And over here you have the police posts here. go. Oh my god. Wow. From now, guys, it's gonna rain right now, guys. I think you see even the cloud, guys. It's totally black, making beds there. Wow. Oh. Nice chairs. Yeah. Wow. Mattress on the motorbike. Oh. Up. Wow, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, bye, baby, bye. Wow, guys, so let's go. For me, that's how I help people in my village. So let's do it, guys. I'm heading this way. I want to check that hen, guys, right now. Guys, right now I'm just over here and I met one of my friends. So actually yesterday we negotiate. So he's supposed to take the tea and then umereta to give me the cock, the big one, guys. So they're eating chapati here and tea, and we have sugar here. So actually this is our nice restaurant here. We have the cock right there. The business of selling hen here and there, over there. Well, guys, let's see. At this moment today, we go with the cock for the Christmas. Wow.
Kanto yang ini begi-begi, ya?
Ya?
Kanto yang ini begi-begi. Tiap nanti ke jalan tol ya, atuin ko heka.
Ya?
Atuin ko heka.
Ka. For today we got.
Kan tayo kumpiat, tayo mulcem.
Guys, what he was telling me, like I need those big cock for Christmas time, and right here he doesn't have that cock. So he told me to go to his home and looking for that cock. Okay, we'll go. You finish. We have the business there. Good business for selling hens, guys. You see right there? Or let me show you. Nakud. Let me show you a little bit, guys. Why not? Over here. Muyon. Muita. Chino. Aye. Tiwa bana makana tusoki. Nguchande mura. So guys, this is the business here. So we buy and selling, and it's morning. We're making some time profit, guys. Guys, I know most of the people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? But anyway, I'm going to his home to pick the hen or the cock right now. So guys, please don't mind. Just float by. Wow. Sometime when I'm shooting a video, it will be a tough day to me Like today, it's a tough day to me. Like house those invitations. I'll come to Border Town and get the hen or the cock, but probably I didn't get anything. So we're supposed to go to his home, and maybe for the first time you will see his home, guys. Let's do it. This police post here. Wow. Yeah, you drive slow. Drive slow. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Imagine. Oh. Kaneno nengori wiku. Oh, guys, we're heading to the next destination. We have Akidiva Hospital here. Oh, guys, because of time, stay tuned. When I reach to his home, I'll show you where I'm going to pick that cock for the meat, guys. Guys, we keep going. Oh my god, look at this situation. Guys, you see how people are building here and there. Look even at that tall building. Whoa! Amazing villa. Wow, guys, look. Hey, a nice car. Whoa, hey. Guys, from Border Town, after you're heading to my brother's home, it's a distance, like I said. But I have my own bike, so why not? Wow. And I'm telling you, most of the time motorbikes are very, very rare here, so they carry people here and there. That is it. Sometimes, guys, I'm doing adventures vlog. Imagine, from home to Border Town, from Border Town to this new place here. Hey, man, I'm shocked. Look at that house. Shape for that house, man. Look. Oh, hope you see from inside. Okay? Go down. Oh, you have a job anywhere. You came out Koram. Wabong. Guys, we have the way bridge here. Look. Known as Skip Boy Way Bridge for having commercial vehicle. I think, guys, for riding for making a video while riding, it's enough for me. Let me pause here, guys. Guys, finally we reach, and this is my friend's home. Actually, he wants to give me that cock. I left my bike there, so for slaughtering Christmas. No, guys, it's the same my home where I came from. Nothing changed. Kawatambe to mahemwita mangana ka umaika na maru.
Korati mapal.
Mbana make get kenyi mai.
Korati mapal.
Nee. Guys, you see that cock right there, guys. Taka kawatambe. Bana otaki ngeniria mahindi.
Atabagi hire.
Usuyingori ko kyo notako. So they want to catch that hen. Iga? Mana bado kairo koma kombareno. Tagira bori. Guys, sometimes it's crazy situation, you know, to catch a cock or a hen. It needs technique and experience. Paano rage kot? Kikutubira ato vukangi. This is how we feed the cow, guys. Guys, in Africa here, I'll show you how we normally use the technique to catch the hen. Look. We do it slowly, guys. Guys, we managed to catch the cock. No, that's not what you because we got a stony hard. Nyata hemere makora kumbuhere. Hano hera chipuruke mu.
Yatake buru. Ana na bohero na bohero.
And guys, it's good to buy the hen maybe around the homestead like this rather than maybe buying in town.
I
will slaughter this. Slaughter. What are you doing? Guys, I want to buy eggs, so I have your one tray for the egg. No problem. Just do it like this and we're ready to go. It's a crazy situation by itself. So this one tray for the egg. This is my brother here. Wow. So I've already made. Hey, that's a mean no my. I need to buy egg here. Within here.
Talk English, my friend. I'm telling you. You pack there.
Makubwa mura. Si ati mimi ni bubu. Akini mbana ya kane harufunga nyunkire.
Amagi.
Wake hapa nichague nione. Guys, I want to confirm the tray for the eggs. Look at you.
They are doing like this.
Like
yeah,
this.
Yeah.
I want to confirm. When I see one egg have crack, we change. Let's start here. It's okay because we paid the money. Lakini mbona ungaihike mbona? Here.
Nini?
Mbona hivi mai madogo? Mbona?
Bwana mai yote tu jombani size moja. Yaani anakuja kuleta fedea yani
hamna mura.
Size ni moja.
Hakuna. Hii mai kidogo umeniwekea.
Yaani mai anakuja kwa ni size ni moja. Yaani sterini gani kuja kuleta jomba huko inakuja kuleta.
Leta tray hapa mura. Mbona mai ya nje ni makubwa?
Haya anakuja kwa ya huko.
Na haya ni ya nini? Haya.
Hao ni kuku wanaoitwa chotara.
Yanapikwa?
Ya kienyeji haya. Kienyeji special.
Na tray ni shingapi?
400.
Na hii?
400.
Mbona? Lakini jomba naona.
Side alikwa.
Nesa nchenje. Nasa badilisha. Mbona ganki mtu?
Kama nuruchire kae na kadogo sana. Nuchenchi nigirene hana. Nuchenchire nigirene hana.
Hai. Nichukue nibadilishe hivi.
Kama ni kadogo. Kama unaona kabisa kezi na nili, yani kabisa wewe ni kadogo kabisa.
Yaani hapa kabisa ni kadogo.
Mbona hapa hamna kadogo jamani? Sema ni hapa. Unaweka hivi.
Kagua. Ona.
Unaweka hivi.
Kagua.
Hamna hili lingine.
Aka. Kinoejo. Anyway guys. No bargaining. Aya funga. Mnachukua hii uweke hapa. Kana ndio mteja wenyu.
Acha mra, titrai chino titai chiani mra. Tilicha kampuni. Ama tregano.
Oh, guys, what do you advise me? I take this. Kwani mayai ni ya kuku?
Yeah.
Ndio unipe haya leo. Na wale wako nije nipate ni mabaya. Mimi na wewe. Noma sana na lakini.
Kupe tray moja. Ama kuchanganya nusu.
Yanakaeje? Mimi sijaikosije kwa hata mayai ya bundi.
Nikuchanganye nusu. Ama nikuchanganye nusu.
Let me take that one. This one I'm not satisfied with this one, guys. And
Bora yai mani, bora yai. Tunda mani.
so niweke ya Juma. Mbona unakagua?
Nikuwekee kidogo kama hii.
Guys, I bought the eggs. After this, I'm going to the supermarket. That one got to $4. I don't have my gimbal. Guys, I want to make shopping for my mom right now here. So, look what's missing here. It's a Christmas time. Let's see. Because people are very, very congested here and there.
Sorry.
Okay. Wow. And the chocolates. Okay. I bought soybeans. This one. Linky. Right. I kept looking what I'm supposed to buy for my mom. This coriander spices. Guys, oh sorry guys, I'm new. In terms of buying maybe some stuff here and there, I'm new guys. I'm new. Wow. Simba mbili. Let's look this one here. Try to look pilau masala. Wow. I hope guys my mom she will maybe use it in another way. And let's buy chocolate. Drinking chocolates. I'm so kind of confused. Coca-Cola. This one. I think this one is okay. Oh man. Look at this. Let me take this one. I'm just making random shopping here and there. So if one maybe they want to use maybe cocoa powder or chocolates drink, they can use it. We have drinking chocolates. Wow guys, let's see. And I don't want to forget my sister. I'm looking for the crisps for my sister. Potato crisps. Well, guys, for me, I'm so grateful. Maybe what I'm missing, I will see. I will see what is missing. Oh. It's because because the school will be open soon. I'm supposed to buy my sister some jelly. Let's vibe with this one. Let's vibe with this one. I think it can push my sister. Oh my god. Which one is which one? But this one I think it can keep pushing my sister. Oh, I buy here and there. So, oh. Okay, I want to look for the cow place. I think this one it's okay. Wow. Oh guys, what next is missing? And I bought for my sisters some shoes, Porsche, and everything. I need this one. This one. Wow. Sometimes it's good to remember my sister. The pencil, she has everything. And maybe this one. It's this one. Oh guys, we just make random shopping here and there. Wow. It is missing. Maybe I will add this one. Oh. Now guys, add this. Whew. Big up, guys. What's missing? Maybe I take one carton for the tissue paper. Oh. Tissue paper. Wewe tissue gani ndio nzuri ndio? Tissue gani ndio nzuri ndio? Sikurekodi. Unaweza kurekodi ndio. Gani? Hizi ndio nzuri. Okay, we need a tissue to take because sometimes siwezi kurekodi. I need this one. Star Soft. Oh man. Oh. And maybe guys after this I buy the juice. Na zile za niweza kunawa mikono. So just siwezi kurekodi. Siwezi kurekodi hizo. Yeah. Easy. Hey, ngani nanukia vizuri. Pink. Take this for hand wash, guys. Today's today. Niyo mambo na price. 930. Ya kidumu. 1100. Okay guys, let's buy maybe for the we need solid soap powder. Hii ndio nzuri. Hey. Na ile nyingine? Kwa nini gani? 3.5. Nipe tu. Nachagara. Nipe nyingine. 11? 1300. 1100, 1300. Nipe hii. Pesa sikushida. Oh guys, I bought this one. I think guys from now it's better now, right? And the juice one by one. Na hizi zimekaa sana. Acha tu niangalie jinsi hizo. Well guys, let me look for the juice for my sister here and there. You know guys, I'm new in terms of making shopping here and there. I'm new, but I'm trying my best. So I'm looking for the pineapple juice. Actually, it's according to the price. This mango, pineapple. All right, guys, I bought this from my sister. and she has a lot of friends here and there. I bought for her juice, and actually we dilute with water, with clean water. Let's go. Let's go. So after that, we make the payment. Nani ndo anaingia? Ndio basi. Ni kezi vitu. Sawa. Tena kule video kakua. Guys, what next is missing? I don't know. I bought this. Hey, washing clothes. Tutanyeshewa, si ndio? Ni malaka. At the same time, I'm going to take the hen another side. Yeah, that's how we take the coke for Christmas. At the back, we have who? David Jr. here. Yes, guys, look at the back. Full of shopping. Aitaanguka. Guys, this is crazy driving.
Logo autobus.
Tumtokea. Kana anaogopa nini? Sabi. Hata sisi tuna gari yetu hapa tunafunga kuku. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This one goes to 1,500 Kenyan man, guys. So we shall meet home, guys. Guys, I was escorting David Jr. So actually, he was my mentor. So I met him on the in Border Town. So I escort him. The home is right there. So actually, guys, I'm heading home, but in a tricky situation. I have eggs here, I have chicken here. At the same time, I'm driving, but at a good way, guys, not at a harsh condition. You know what I mean? At the back, we have the shopping. Actually, it's a Christmas season, and I can't wait to see my mama. So for me, I'm so grateful for my good fans who made it possible. May God bless you, and a million times, guys. So that's a reward I can say to you guys. You keep supporting us a lot here and there, but for me, I'm just flow with positive vibe, you know. Oh, here and there. Wow. Look, guys, I'm heading this way, and the hen is here. Look. But we drive careful. We drive careful. Wow. It's an amazing day. That's what I normally do. Christmas season! What a good day! But I'll take a U-turn. Like, I'll leave the tarmac road. I don't want to pass up the one signal right now, guys. So we take a U-turn. Let's go! I left the bumps in a good way. Here, we have bumps. Guys, that's the reason why I'm going slow, guys, because the delicate stuff is eggs. Why? Guys, I'm going home. What a good day. This is a surprise by itself, and I want to visit my African mom right now. Wow! Guys, I feel like if I could have the car, I could park these things secretly, but we done. Roughly everybody's saying, yeah, God is good, guy. God is good. Look at the back. See? Right, that is it. For me, I'm just Floyd Vi. And actually, guys, I'm walking at pedestrian sites because in our village here, you can't maybe find most of the people maybe walking around here and there. So the road is narrow, it's clean. Look. Whoa. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And since I left home, my mom, she doesn't have any clue what is going on, but I will share with her these memory stories from my friend. And actually, you made it possible, guys. Wow. And today the weather is freezing. It's freezing. That's why you see I'm wearing the jacket. Wow. Hey. So right now, guys, I'm heading to my home, guys. Imagine, it's far distance by itself. Wow. Oh, I feel like it's cold, man. It's cold. But it is what it is. Woo. It is what it is. So I want to take a U-turn right now. Here. Guys, because this place is so bad and I have some eggs here and full of shopping, so I don't want to risk myself. So we shall meet when I'm reaching home, and you will see how my mom celebrates. So for now, I left the tarmac road. I use this way. Actually, you will enjoy my vlog, guys. Stay blessed. Oh, guys, I'm back home, and when I'm going this way, it's somehow like maybe tough because we have eggs here. I don't want to spoil because they're very, very delicate. So inside you have eggs, guys, and you watch the video, you see that part for the eggs. So I'm calling my mom right now, so maybe hold for me this one. Yeah. Day of 2024, guys. Day of changes and transforming people's life. Yeah. Right, mama, let's go. Yeah, what's up? Nowadays you're growing so fast. This trouser should be short and was on this side here. You're growing so fast. Did you ride your bicycle?
Yes.
Mendes? Guys, I'm asking my sister, did you ride a bicycle? She told me yes. Guys, let's meet when my African mom unboxing this stuff here, and actually I will appreciate. Wow, guys, I'm back home. So that's my brother. Say hello again.
Hey, hello.
Yes, we have one tray for the eggs here, and we have the hen. Say hello.
Hello.
You love much the meat hen. I know you. Take inside. We have my mom here. Oh, first thing, let me take the key. Mama, this is yours. And for now, unboxing. You are unboxing right on time here. One on one.
I fall down.
No. Okay, guys.
Because they are heavy.
Guys, that's my cousin there. Right. Tom mpiri sikupitia kwanza. Ataruhusu. You have a solid soap. Teka chini mama. Hey, my mama. Put down. And it's known as toss. Leave your clothes soft and fresh. There. Okay, take this down now.
Tilly.
Even this one, mama. Take it down. Chukua besheni. Mama. Alright guys, when it's a kind of a mess down here. But this is what it is. So guys, the more you purchase some stuff from the supermarket, they add you maybe like a customer gift. So they add me this basin here. Aya perek. Chukua hii. Weka humo ndani. Mama, take this box. Oh, honestly, mtoto. Wow guys, thank you for the love and support. By keep supporting Hello Baby Official here. That's my cousin. That's my cousin, guys. There, we reunion with my cousin after 20 years. Woo! Hey, toka kukisigonge Peter. Wow, Mama, put down here. Where are you going to? Put down here. Where can the hands sleeves? Okay, Mama, unbox. Time to give you time. Bruno, what's up? And maybe I put this down. Wow. So Mama, unbox one by one, guys. I'm not faking things. And I bought for some ingredients. Where kahuko? Hey. Guys, I bought for my mama some ingredient maybe for cooking, preparing maybe rice. I bought maybe rice masala, soya beans, like when you put inside the like ginger soya drink, tangawiz. You see? And I bought the juice. This one, Mama, swear you can put here. This is the juice, guys. So you dilute with water. I've already shown you this ginger soya drink. If you want to use drink chocolates, we have this one. I think the weight is 500 grams. You put on tea or hot water, guys. Advise us in comment section. I might make a good decision, guys. To my mom. Hi. And here we have coriander spices. Here we have a masala pilau. Here, njo. Hi, here we have ndengu.
Enjoy, wesi ukume imefungwa.
Yeah. Oh. Guys, sorry. Guys, the good thing about my puppy, what's up? If my puppy, hola. Guys, if my puppy don't know you, they will start making noise here and there. That's the reason why we tied wow, guys. Mweke huko hivi. Hata we will happen. It's not happy. All right. And nenda nicheze njani. Aya, mweke huko hivi. Nenda hivi. What's up?
TV.
in here. So we have soap for washing your body. This is sunlight. We bought 2 of them. We have geisha. And this potato crisps for my sister. Okay, take nipe hapa. You can share with my cousin. Alright. Nenda nje mnawa mikono. Mgawane huko. Nenda mtafungulia huko nje. Nenda mure. So I bought for them. Mnawa mikono. Nenda mtanao huko nje kwa kisima huko kuna maji. Msienda kwa kisima. Okay. So because my cousin each single time they were being close to me and I supposed to buy some crepes so they can enjoy. There were being like 5 of them so they can enjoy with that crepes. And mama, this is the tissue paper. We have a nice toilet. We're supposed to have this stuff. Right? Maybe sometime you'll have the visitor, like I think by tomorrow the church service will be here. So like evening time. So when they want to visit the toilet, this one will be there. So mama, if you want to wash the hands, we use this one. Yes, sometimes to kill the germs in your hand, you know, like that way. So this one, mama, I bought this we called solid jelly. It's known as Vaseline for my sister, because on January she wanna open the school. So this is for my sister. Although guys, she went outside with my cousin. They were like 4 of them of my cousins, so they want to share that crepes. And this one, it's for Kiwi, known as black leather shoes, shoe polish. They can share with my brother. So this one, it's so big. By the time goes, I will add. And I have the brush for like cleaning the shoes. This one for scooping, like, yeah, from here. Yeah. So mom, I think even down here, guys, I bought, oh man, soft. It's known as a Star Soft Fresher. I think it has an expiry date. Let me check, guys. Let me check. It doesn't have expiry dates. So that is it, guys. Okay, mama. For me, I think I'm just done with my part. Guys, thank you so much. May God bless for those people that keep supporting us here and there. And for those people that keep supporting by watching my videos, may God bless you abundantly. And for my returning subscriber, I really appreciate for your full support by subscribing my channel, guys. That's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. And don't skip ad, guys. If you're watching my ads, maybe I managed to support my family. You know, no more hide. I can't hide anything, guys. Like, I'm not bragging things, so I'm making shopping in the supermarket, and later on you didn't see maybe my mom unboxing. For me, I make thing and then my mama unbox, or I buy things from town, I brought home, I made a video. Just like no more hiding anything back. So mama, unaweza ambiaje watu wenye wamefanya hivyo? Mama, how do you say it for the person, like, let me say 1, 2, 3, or more than 10 people who made it possible? Like, for now, like, you can have 1 people made this today, tomorrow is another people. Like, we can't mention their name. Unaweza semaje kwa mtu anafanya jambo kama hili?
Wabarikiwe.
Yes, guys.
Thank you.
Guys, my mama said for my good subscriber who made it possible, may God bless you and add you more blessing and more life to live in this world, and good health. So, you know, sometimes it's a kind of a hectic. Umewapatia? Umewapa? Kila mtu? Hadi favor? Favor umewapatia ama hawako? Naenda utapea mama yake atamtunzia, watampa. Watamwekea kwa kibakuri, hizo zingine utakula. So I was talking with my sister. They must give each and every cousin, whether it's a small or anyone, to share that crepes. And mama, that is it. This is the year of success, and I bought for you like it's a Christmas season. You have everything in your house. Yesterday I promised you I'm going to buy hen or a cock and eggs. You've already seen, guys. And actually the hen is just over here. The cock one. Hold on. Guys, I'm trying to catch this, and I bought around 1,400 Kenyan money, roughly $12. This one. So on Christmas time, which is next week on Wednesday there, I think so, you prepare yourself a good meal. Whether you like rice, whether you like mandazi, whether you like chapati, whether you like anything, and I give you the money, you can go and buy the brown, we call it cassava, you grind and you cook brown ugali, so in order you can eat with this hen to have a flavor. This is the hen. Oh guys, I forget, and my mama remind me. I bought my mama this one, guys. Maybe you ask me on the camera, hello, maybe I saw you buy like 10 kg of like a solid soap. Where it is? Just over here. And actually this is a liquid one. So we have the difference between liquid and solid. So this 10 kg, 4 kg I mean. Wow guys, look. That's for my mom, guys. I'm telling you. No more highs, guys. Like, I'm so sorry. I forget, guys. But anyway, my mama remind me. Okay. Things that you see that I was purchasing in the supermarket, I brought back home. Everything here, like no more hide. And this one goes to $70. All of stuff that you see here, hen or cock, everything goes to $70. Did you give to everybody? Yes. So remaining with a little bit. You enjoy, and your juice is here. Yeah. There's your juice. No problem. I bought for you some shoes polish and everything. Mekunumia rangi. Aye. And the her bicycle is just over here. Relaxing.
Asante.
Sawa. She told me thank you. So guys, thank you so much. Mama, take everything inside the house. Wow guys, so that's my small roundery over here. And I want to end my video by saying, guys, thank you so much here and there. So right now, guys, I think my mama, she was preparing ugali. So I will show you how my mama cook, guys. I'll cook ugali. This is our small kitchen. Although most of the people advise me, build your mama kitchen first. Let me settle down, put my all maybe my struggle to build my mama dream house. I know it's not easy work. It's a tough. But one day we build my mom's kitchen. Okay, you can cook, mom. That's how my mama cook ugali. African mom to the world. So guys, it's lunchtime here, and actually we saw so great. Guys, it's raining right now, guys. Look. And I want to end my video by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. I wish you happy Sabbath day. I'm shooting this video on Saturday, which is a good day. We breathe fresh air. And if you are a Roman Catholic or an Anglican, by tomorrow I wish you happy Sunday, guys. The year of 2024 is the year of success, and we want to end this year in good way. And the year of 2025 is calling me, and I will vibe with you guys from A to Z. Look amazing. Like by tomorrow, my mama should have some those like church member. Like if you are a Roma, you know what I mean. Like every Sunday, they will visit one home after another. So maybe to bring prayers every house, every home, I mean. Like tomorrow we'll be coming and visit my mama. What a good day, man. Tomorrow, no pressure, no worry. We have a nice toilet, so my visit of my mom, they can use that one. No pressure. For now, we're just okay. We just settle our mind. So like I'm focusing how maybe I'll build maybe next year, guys. But let me buy material slowly, guys. Slowly. If maybe you can support maybe in terms of maybe cement, even 1 bag of cement, guys, I really appreciate on that, because the small that you have, you share with me, and I just keep improving myself here and there. So like my engineer told me if I have like 100 bag of cement, I could start with that one, and it can maybe finish the house from scratch up to in the rental section. But let's see, guys, let's see, we'll do it maybe in January, but right now let's celebrate maybe Christmas time. It's Christmas time, and on 25th, guys, I will celebrate my my birthday. That's why I'm calling Emmanuel. I'm born on 25th December. If you have a son or a daughter, by then I know the daughter will be known as Emanuela, and the son known as Emmanuel. I myself, I know my name is Manuel. Wow, guys, if you have the about two related name, just comment. I have my son, I have my daughter known as. At least you can celebrate on that day as a one family. So stay blessed. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. It depends the time, guys, but this video, it will be a premiere, and you know our exact time when I'm premiering my video. So for my premiere gang, you'll get the video, don't worry. So guys, I wish you all the best. Happy Sabbath day, guys. I love you from East Africa, Kenya, guys. Nyabuhase village to the world, guys. Bye.